I'm Karen, and I'd like to show you the newest innovation in hand tools. As a professional service tech, why use less efficient tools? This competitor's tool is a 72-tooth ratchet. Note that as the tool reciprocates, it fails to move the dial indicator. Let's take a look at another competitor's conventional ratchet. Here we have an 80-tooth ratchet. Once again, as the handle reciprocates, it fails to move the dial indicator. Now let's take a look at the revolutionary Stepless Ratchet. The Stepless Ratchet requires just 1 degree of ratcheting arc to engage. As you can see, when the handle moves, the dial indicator moves. To reverse, simply push the cap down and rotate it until the cap pops up. Now the tool is in reverse mode of operation. The stepless ratchet is always engaged 360 degrees for higher torque and a tighter feel engagement. Unlike pawl-engaged tools that must go into neutral in order to engage the next tooth, competitors' ratchets can feel soft to engage and slip at high torque. This tool is available for worldwide licensing. For more information, please contact toolguy@t6b.com. This device can be adapted to any round head ratchet handle. Get the edge on your competition. The stepless ratchet is available now.